Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Cooking Live. My name is Chef Patrice, and I'm going to make you a better cook. Today we have a wonderful recipe. Of course, on the menu we have a curry, chicken curry. We're going to be serving the chicken curry with the basmati rice and some broccoli. And then, of course, we're going to be making some crepes. I'm going to show you an easy recipe to make a crepe batter. Very simple. We'll saute some apple, flambe with rum, put some whipped cream on here, cut it all the way until you feel that your knife is hitting the bone. Magic happen. You actually cut it right in between the cartilage, between the drumstick and the thighs. And you can take your knife now and then finish it up. And between the two breasts, I want you to make an incision. So far it's looking good. And then you take a piece of string. On the basmati rice take a little more moisture, so it's going to be 2-to-1. But you need to cover it. You can't just put it in the oven like that. There you go, 2, then 3. A pinch of salt. Don't forget that, a pinch of salt. Pour your crepe batter. Just watch for now. Just move it around like this until you cover the bottom of the crepe, the pan. We'll grab that one too. Yeah, I like to do it by hand. All right, very good. We'll move that out also. See, nice, like a little package. Ooh, that looks pretty good, huh? You know, some broccoli, maybe put it in there. Drumstick, there you go, right there. I'm just gonna put it like that. Here I'm gonna put another piece. There you go. A little bit more in there. I hope your dishes are coming nice and successful like those, and it tastes good. Goodbye. See you next time, all right? All right, guys, let's go and eat.